PSA, public service announcement. Y'all know my story that I was able to pivot into tech and our job stack go around. I don't do that no more. She don't do that because she can get one offer and make over 6 figures, you know? But I want you guys to realize that you have people in the market and you guys are still job stacking tech. And this is even to my students. Can we just get the first one? Can you get the first one and work that for 90 days and really give your all? Again, I'm not promoting job stacking. I'm saying if you're going to do it, let's not do it where we rush to get these different jobs and you haven't been great at one. Develop the skill, understand the role, be there at work. Again, I'm just saying if you're going to do it, let's actually be good at what we do with just one. Quit trying to just job stack so much so you can make some money. How about you be great at one? Because by the time you're great at one, after 90 days, 6 months, 1 year, you might can go for something else and make even more because you've mastered your skill. So can we promote mastering our skill?